Welcome everyone to the channel. My name is Japan, and in today's video we will be learning the 7 different days of the week according to Japanese calendar. So before starting that, let me tell you that I written 2 kanji in my presentation here, so it would be important kanji, don't forget this. So the days of the week, we also call it as yobi in Japanese, and we add a single kanji just before this yobi, and with that we have different days of the week. Okay, with that said, let me get inside the topic of the today now. Nichiyobi, Sunday. In Japanese, Nichiyobi means Sunday. The yobi means day, and the first character resembles the day. Nichi means sun. Actually, he means sun, but this first kanji, this Nichi kanji, it has 2 pronunciation. First is Nichi and next is he, but we also add ten sometime to call it B. So it might have 3 sounds: Nichi, he and B. So let us forget it right now. We'll have that discuss in our next video. So Nichiyobi means Sunday. So this first kanji, it means sun. So this is the sun, and here is also the sun. So Sunday means sun, and this kanji is the easiest kanji, and it means sun. So this is Nichiyobi, Sunday. Okay, let us move to the next one. Getsuyobi. Like before, this yobi remains same, but the first kanji is different. This time we have getsu. It means moon. Actually, tsuki means moon, but this kanji has 2 different sound. One is getsu and there is tsuki. Tsuki means moon. You might have seen Naruto, and there is one group, famous group called Akatsuki. Tsuki means moon. Akatsuki means red moon. Okay, so Monday means moon. It'd be easier to remember like that. So Getsuyobi means Monday. Next we have is Kayobi, which means Tuesday. Kayobi. Ka means fire. Actually, he also means fire. He is the fire, not the English he, but Japanese he means fire, and it has 2 sound. One is ka, another is he. Okay, so ka means fire and Tuesday is fire. Or you can remember the famous song of Katy Perry, someone like "This girl is on fire," like that. So we can just remove the girl and you can write Tuesday is on fire, because we go to work and school on Monday, and Tuesday is like fire. So Tuesday is on fire. In that it would be easier to remember, I guess. Okay, Kayobi means Tuesday. Ka means, this means fire. It looks like fire. We'll discuss this in our kanji discussion in our videos that will be released very soon. Okay, Kayobi means fire. Next we have is Suiyobi. Suiyobi. Suiyobi, Wednesday. Sui means water. Actually, Mizu means water, but this time also, this first kanji, it has two sound. One is Sui, another is Mizu. So let us forget the other sound now, because we'll discuss that in our kanji section later in other videos. Right now, remember, Sui means water. Suiyobi means water. So Tuesday was on fire. So after fire, we need water. So it would be easier if you remember it as the water day. Suiyobi means water day. This kanji is water. Okay. Next one is Mokuyobi. Mokuyobi. Mokuyobi means Thursday. So after we had the Tuesday, it was on fire. Wednesday, we put some water. So as it sometimes work as let us leave that. Okay, let us remember like this. Okay, everything was on fire. Okay, everything was on fire, and we put some water, and after that we have a new tree now. Okay, this kanji resembles a tree. Actually, moku is the other sound, which is there is a particularly two sounds. One is kunyomi and another is onyomi. So we'll discuss that in detail in our other section. Right now our main focus is to remember the different days. So moku and ki, there is another sound, ki. Actually, ki means tree. This moku also means tree, but they have a little bit difference. We'll discuss that later. But right now, let us remember like this. Moku means tree. So Mokuyobi means Thursday, and this kanji resembles tree. It would be easier if you remember the first kanji, if you want to remember days of the week in Japanese. Next we have is Friday. Kinyobi. 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 Friday. Kin means money or gold, or you can call it wealth. Okay, kin means money or gold, or as a whole, wealth. Okay, after Sunday, there was the moon, and after moon we had party. There was fire. We put some water, and we had a tree. We cut down tree. We sold the tree, and now we have the money. Okay, you can remember like that. I remembered in that way. It was easier. But there are different ways for different people to remember easily and fastly. So kin yobi means Friday, and kin means money. This first kanji means money. Next we have is doyobi. Doyobi. Doyobi, which means Saturday. This first kanji means land. Do means land. Actually, Tsuchi means land, but right here we'll be remembering it as Do means land. So this kanji is the symbol for the land. So after we have money, we bought some new land, and with this we are happy now. We learned all the 7 different characters of days of the weeks in Japanese. So lastly, let me give you the bonus now. There's the easiest way to remember the different days of the week. So we'll be seeing this picture and we'll be remembering the 7 days of the week. So in my beginning of this video, I've told you that the yobi comes in each and every days of the week. It comes at the back of these kanjis. There are 7 kanjis here. Each kanji has different meaning. First, this kanji means sun. This kanji means moon. This kanji means fire. This kanji means water. This kanji means tree. This kanji means money or gold, and this kanji means land. Okay, let us remember like this. Nichi getsu kasui moku kindo. So it would be if you remember like this. Nichu getsu kasui moku kindo. Nichu getsu kasui moku kindo. So it is the easiest way to remember all the 7 days of the week. So what you do is you remember in this way, Nichi getsu kasui moku kindo, and what you do is Nichi, after Nichi you put yobi. So Nichi yobi. Likewise, getsu yobi, ka yobi, sui yobi, moku yobi, kin yobi, and lastly do yobi. And the easiest way to remember is Nichi getsu kasui moku kindo. Nichi getsu kasui moku kindo. Nichi getsu kasui moku kindo. So this is it, guys. So with this we have come to the end of this video, and let me tell you that I'll be making you able to download this note, the presentation I have made. You can find that in the link in the description below. And have a nice time, have a happy learning, and see you in my next video. And don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. I know my videos are crappy, but yeah, thank you. Okay, bye guys, have a nice time.